Warning: proceed with caution into the realm of English learning. Uncover the hidden truths within, but beware of the challenges that lie ahead. Dare to navigate the labyrinth of language acquisition, but tread lightly, for the path is treacherous. Will you heed the warning or risk the consequences of ignorance? Making a phone call. Person A: Hi, this is John calling. Is Sarah available? Person B: Hi, John. Yes, she's here. Let me transfer your call. Person A: Thank you. Person C: Sarah: Hello, this is Sarah speaking. How can I help you? At the grocery store. Person A: Excuse me, do you know where I can find the pasta aisle? Person B: Sure, it's right over there, next to the canned goods. Person A: Thank you so much. Person B: No problem, happy shopping. Waiting for the bus. Person A: Do you know when the next bus to downtown is arriving? Person B: I'm not sure, but according to the schedule, it should be here in about 10 minutes. Person A: Thanks for checking. Person B: No worries, glad I could help. Ordering coffee at a cafe. Person A: I'd like a medium latte with almond milk, please. Person B: Sure, anything else? Person A: Can I also get a blueberry muffin? Person B: Of course, that will be $7.50, please. Person A: Here you go. Keep the shang. Person B: Thank you. Enjoy your coffee and muffin. Meeting a friend for lunch. Person: Hey, it's great to see you. Person B: You too. I'm starving. Do you know a good place near B to grab lunch? Person A: Yeah, there's a nice sandwich shop just around the corner. Let's go. Person B: Sounds good. Lead the way. Asking for help with homework. Person A: Hey, can you help me with this math problem? Person B: Of course. Let me take a look. Which one are you stuck on? Person A: It's this one right here. Person B: I see. Let's work through it together. Asking for directions in a new city. Person A: Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Can you tell me how to get to the nearest subway station? Person B: Sure thing. Go straight down this street, then take a left at the traffic light. You'll see the station entrance on your right. Person A: Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Person B: No problem at all. Glad I could help. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let us know in the comments if you found this video helpful and join us in reaching our goal of 1,000 likes. Ensure you're subscribed and have the notification bell activated to catch all our new videos. Share your feedback in the comments, tell us if you benefited, and help us reach our target of 1,000 likes. Meeting a colleague for a work discussion. Person: Hey, do you have a moment to chat about the project? Person B: Of course, what's on your mind? Person A: I wanted to get your input on the latest proposal. Do you think it's ready to present to the client? Person B: Let's take a look together and discuss the key points. Talking to a customer service representative. Person: Hi, I'm having trouble with my internet connection. Can you help me troubleshoot? Person B, customer service: Absolutely, I'd be happy to assist you. Can you please provide me with your account information? Person A: Sure, my account number is XXXX. Person B: Thank you. Let's run a few tests to diagnose the issue. Arranging a meetup with friends. Person A: Hey, would you guys be up for grabbing dinner this Friday? Person B: Sounds good to me. Any preferences on cuisine? Person C: I'm in. How about Italian food? Person A: Italian it is then. I'll make a reservation for us. Discussing weekend plans with family. Person A: Mom, Dad, what do you want to do this weekend? Person B: Mom: How about going to the movies? There's a new comedy out that looks hilarious. Person C: Dad: That sounds like fun. We can grab dinner afterward. Person A: Sounds like a plan. I'll check the movie times. Ordering takeout over the phone. Person A: Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery, please. Person B, restaurant staff: Of course, what would you like to order? Person A: I like a large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese and a side of garlic bread, please. Person B: Sure, anything else? Conversation 16. Ordering takeout over the phone. Person A: Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery, please. Person B, restaurant staff: Of course, what would you like to order? Person A: I'd like a large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese and a side of garlic bread, please. Person B: Sure, Anything else? Person A, that'll be all, thank you. Person B, your total comes to $25. Will that be cash or card? Checking in at a hotel, Person A. Hi, I have a reservation under the name Smith. Person B, hotel receptionist. Welcome, Mr. Smith. Let me just pull up your reservation. Ah, here it is. We have you booked for a deluxe room with a king-sized bed. Would you like any assistance with your luggage? Person A, no, thank you. I'm all set. Person B, here's your room key. Enjoy your stay. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let us know in the comments if you found this video helpful and join us in reaching our goal of 1,000 likes. Ensure you're subscribed and have the notification bell activated to catch all our new videos. Share your feedback in the comments, tell us if you benefited, and help us reach our target of 1,000 likes.